Good morning, I'm Hirendra Reddy from Axis Securities presenting the daily fundamental view. On the top three December upcoming events, on December 4 we have the Italy referendum. After Brexit, all eyes are on Italy referendum and Italians will vote in a referendum on whether to accept the package of constitutional reforms put forward by the Prime Minister. On December 7, we will see the RBI policy review. After demonetization, market participants were hoping for a big rate cut by the central bank in its upcoming policy meet. However, after RBI's move to raise the cash reserve ratio of banks to 100% of NDTL, is unlikely to leave any room for central banks to cut rates further. Coming to December 15, we will see the US Fed rate review. To make or break the events for the year 2016 would come in the form of two-day US FOMC meeting, which will start from Tuesday. Indian markets will react on the outcome on Thursday, December 15. Minutes of US Fed's November meeting showed that most officials believe that a rate hike be appropriate relatively soon, boosting the chances of an increase in December. Coming to the global markets, the US markets ended higher, led by gains in healthcare and real estate stocks, with investors taking note of decline in oil prices ahead of the OPEC meeting. The Dow Jones gained 24 points or 0.12% to close at 19,121, while Nasdaq gained 11 points or 0.21% to close at 5,380. Currently, the Asian markets are trading higher, tracking positive cues from Wall Street overnight amidst decline in oil prices. Nikkei was up by 0.12%, while Hang Seng is trading higher by 0.36%. Singapore Nifty was trading higher by around 0.09%. Coming to the main events to watch for, announcements to watch for. Results that will be declared during the day are Balkrishna Industries, Gujarat State Petronet, Punj Lloyd and Ratnamani Metals. Some of the companies will be declaring their quarterly numbers today. Government will release the second quarter GDP and fiscal deficit data today at 5:30 p.m. And credit growth hits double digit at 12% in September quarter, led by contribution from the public sector banks. US's third quarter GDP has been revised upwards to 3.2% as compared to advance estimate of 2.9% in the last month. Coming to company specific news, Lupin has received approval from the US FDA to market its armodafinil tablets in the American market. Adani Ports has raised rupees 1,300 crores through issuance of non-convertible debentures, and SAIL has received approval of in principle from the government to sell stake in 3 units. Thank you.